Aiden McCarthy is set to leave Kaizer Chiefs to join Azerbaijanian league champions. Look, Aiden McCarthy was one of our best players, our best defenders last season, and we shouldn't be in the business of selling our best players. We shouldn't be in the business of selling our best players. Um, it's a good move for him. I have absolutely nothing against him. This is a good move for him. Good decision. I mean, should leave Kaizer Chiefs. This guy might play in the Champions League. They are in the Champions League playoffs. If not, he'll play in the Europa League. So it's a great move for him. Shout out to him. Big up to him. Good decision. Good decision for his career. Great move. And unfortunately, I don't have Aiden McCarthy's best interest at heart. Unfortunately, this is not the Aiden McCarthy arena. This is the Chiefs arena. I've got Kaizer Chiefs' best interest at heart, and Aiden McCarthy leaving is not a good thing for us. Unfortunately, it is not a good thing for us. I thought this is a player who was going to be a key player for the next 5 seasons or so, only to leave after his first season. I mean, man, come on. This only leaves us now with Thabo Mloisane, who's coming, Rushin Totli, who's been out for a very long time. So it's kind of limiting us in that left center back position. Thabo Mloisane is a great player. Rushin Totli is an absolutely amazing player. But then let's start with Thabo Mloisane. He's joining a new team, a big team. We don't know how he'll respond to that. Maybe he'll choke, end up being a flop, and we have to drop him. We can't be just, giving away our best players. And what pisses me off again is the fact that we got Aiden McCarthy for nothing. He's our academy player, and we are shit at buying players. So we are not going to, I don't think we are going to get a player who's going to replace him unless Thabo Mloisane is coming as his replacement, But I think Aiden McCarthy leaving after just 1 season when we are not really stacked in his position is absolutely shocking. I didn't expect this at all. I didn't expect this at all. I'm very interested to know how much we are getting from this. I wanna know. I'm so intrigued, but South African football, the price tags are undisclosed, But yeah, all the best to him. But I'm not happy about this.